Hi guys, and thanks so much for stopping in for yet another video. All right guys, before we go any further, please drop down in the comments, raise your hands, let me know if you are a busy mom, a busy wife, a busy business owner. If so guys, you're gonna thank me, okay? You're gonna thank me just like I want to send a huge thank you out to Amazon for sponsoring today's video. Guys, I had to come up with some type of balance between work, family, personal life, and so I had to get a helper, and that helper being, guys, Amazon Alexa. And just like with any great helper, she is with me everywhere I go. She gives me my morning wake-up call. Alexa, off. What's also great, guys, is the gentle way that she awakens me with the sounds of my favorite smooth jazz through the use of the Echo Dot with clock. So with our Echo Dot with clock and other connected devices here in our bedroom, we need really good Wi-Fi coverage, which can sometimes be a challenge in larger homes. Luckily, we have EERO, which Eric is setting up here. It allows us to have that great Wi-Fi coverage we need. And no worries, guys. It was a cinch to set up. It took Eric roughly 10 minutes to get it up and going. And oh, by the way, guys, while I'm waking up with the assistance of the Echo Dot with clock, Chase has his own helper that helps him wake up in the morning, the Echo Glow. Guys, I just love the gentle, soothing glow it offers as it naturally awakens him from his slumber. Good morning, guys. I hope everyone is well. As you guys saw, I just made my coffee. It is yummy. However, one little snag here this morning, I used the last bit of my creamer, and I have to have creamer in my coffee. No worry. I'm just going to add creamer to my Whole Foods grocery list. So, Alexa, add creamer to my Whole Foods grocery list.
Creamer added to Whole Foods grocery.
I just love the Amazon Echo Show. It ensures that I stay on top of any items that I may be running low on in my kitchen. You guys know what I find to be extremely frustrating? You are waiting on a package. The window for the delivery of said package has come and gone, but it's still out for delivery, and you have things to do. So I am supposed to get my workout in. I have a busy schedule today, so I'm trying to stay on task. So I need to go ahead and get my workout done. And I know you guys know that we have a full gym down in the basement, but I think I'm going to go ahead and work out up here in the family room today. So thanks to my Amazon Fire TV stick, I am able to work out here in the family room. I'll be close to the door, so I will not miss my package. But what I love about the Amazon Fire TV stick is that they have just a plethora of fitness apps, fitness programs. They are all so amazing. I'm able to choose the one that fits into my little time slot. I have about 20 minutes for a workout today. So my workout is complete. Great little workout, wasn't too long. Like I said, it was around 20 minutes. But the best thing is I was able to work out up here in the family room, and I did not miss my package. My package was delivered. So I'm happy about that. So what I'm doing right now is just making me a little after workout snack. And while I prepare this, and this is just a little mango and some apple, that's it. But while I'm up here in the kitchen, I am going to see what else I have to do today. So Alexa, read my to-do list.
You have 6 items on your to-do list. Complete Amazon purchases.
Okay.
Ship orders.
Okay, I'm gonna give you y'all's orders. Fill orders.
Film YouTube video.
Uh-huh.
Package delivery.
Received.
Workout.
Done. All right, so as you guys can see, or as you heard, I do not have a whole lot to do today. And I'm gonna get to everything, but I'm going to enjoy this fruit bowl slash fruit salad before I do anything else. And I want to see how I can judge up this little fruit bowl slash fruit salad. So Alexa, give me some easy recipes for a fruit salad.
Okay, for fruit salad that takes less than 30 minutes.
All right guys, so I decided to come outside and hang out in my little sheet in and get some work done on my laptop. That's the great thing about this little setup I have here. I can have my little office be mobile if I want. But so I was taking a quick break from my work and I decided to order something for my little space, something that I think the entire family will be able to enjoy. It's this cute little tabletop barbecue grill. So I'm going to have Alexa add it to my shopping cart. She's gonna help me out here today. Alexa, add small barbecue grill to my Amazon shopping cart.
One moment. Amazon's choice is Cuisinart Portable Charcoal Grill, 14-inch, black, 14.5 inches by 14.5 inches by
Perfect
15
size.
inches. It's $24.79.
Perfect price.
With delivery by June 24th. I added it to your Amazon cart for review.
All right, guys. Can y'all see? Yes, you can see. All right, I just finished the dishes. Eric, move! I just finished the dishes. It's the end of the day. It's been a pretty laid back day. You guys saw I didn't have that much to do. I took care of everything on my to-do list. Dishes done, kitchen's clean, and now I am getting ready to demolish Eric's pride once again with the Buffett. You guys have to leave a comment below. Let me know.
Let go of this Buffett challenge.
Because you were thrashed.
So I tell you, all right, I will finally admit defeat. I never got to 100 on the Buffett challenge. All right. So I tell you what, I'm gonna give up on the Buffett challenge. Let's do this. Let's play something that I might actually win. Let's turn on this Amazon Fire Stick TV. Let's maybe do some Jeopardy or Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Let's see who wins on the trivia tonight.
All right, let's try it.
So we're just gonna use the very easy to use Amazon search feature and search for Jeopardy. And in this case, we actually want to do maybe the Jeopardy app or the Millionaire app. So we'll pick one of these apps and I'll go ahead and give you a nice little spanking.
We'll see.
Bunyan has one of these that was 281 feet long and 180 feet wide. It did not say, "I'm with stupid."
What is a t-shirt?
What is a t-shirt? T-shirt.
What is that, t-shirt? Correct, yeah. That's a say in 2000.
So I think we're gonna go ahead and end the video right here. We're having an amazing time. I can't believe I'm saying that. But we're having a really great time playing Jeopardy. We were actually supposed to watch a movie.
Yeah, we were gonna watch
tonight.
a movie and I was gonna come back and beat you on the Buffett challenge.
But we're just gonna go ahead.
But I'm gonna give up. I'm the reigning champion in Jeopardy right now. We're gonna even invite Chase down to get in on the fun. But
yeah, this is a great family device.
let me ask you this. Alexa's been your personal assistant all day. She woke you up, she helped you out in the kitchen, she gave you a great workout, she was outside with you, helped you do some shopping.
She's been doing an amazing job. She is absolutely hired. I mean, I haven't been late today. I mean, I didn't have a whole lot on my schedule today, but there were a few things that I needed to get done, like get you guys' packages out, like to get them out in a timely manner. You guys know that. And I didn't want to miss my delivery. You guys know I typically work out in the gym, but having the convenience of being able to kind of move about the house and work out, I was able to be here when the doorbell rang.
So once again, guys, we want to thank Amazon for hooking us up with all these great products. We really enjoyed them. We would encourage you to click the links in the video and check out these great products from Amazon, because we all could use a personal assistant in our lives. Until next time, peace.
Be blessed and not stressed.
Don't take my call. Don't take it.